Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Investors and Traders Club. So here we are going to discuss about what are the stocks to trade on 29th November 2021, which is on Monday. So the equity stocks I gonna suggest to you is SBI Life Insurance, Wipro and Mahindra. And also I'm gonna explain you the chart analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty, which is accurately pre-market analysis. So first I'm going to explain you options, which is Nifty and Bank Nifty. So on Friday, which is on 26th, there was a little bit of, we can say like that, market crash like happen. So you can see Nifty 50 nearly lost minus 2.9%, which is 500 plus points. So the pre-market for Monday would be also, I'm going to short on it. Still you can see, so this is our support resistance level, and this is our support level right now. So you can see on 30 August, it was a huge uptrend, and then on 3rd September, there was a sideways, and again from 15th September it gone a huge uptrend and downtrend. So clearly just look over here. So you can see over here, this is a uptrend. So on that day it became a support, and on 3rd September it became another support level. So we can conclude that and the other thing is simple support and resistance level based. As a simple thing we can say this is as a support and resistance level based. So this is support and this is resistance. So the thing is it gave a double confirmation, red candles, triple confirmation. So that's why I'm going short on it. So short position, so you can sell it at huge, and the target would be 306 points, and the stop loss would be the risk reward is 1.44 and the risk is 212 points. So the thing is, if you get another red confirmation over here, you can go large on it up to conclude like this, up to wherever the market end goes on. So this is my chart analysis on Nifty. So going to Bank Nifty, yeah, so this is also same, concluded as a support and resistance level based. This is the resistance and this is the support, you can see, and you can see this is the market range. It went on from on 26th November. So still I am shorting on it. You can see we are at the middle of the trade, so you can keep a stop loss of up to here. The risk reward is low for Nifty and Bank Nifty. So if you have a chance, or if you have an edge at 30 minutes, then you can enter the trade. If you get a red candlestick in the morning candle, sorry, the first candle, if you get a red candlestick, so you can go short on it in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So you can analyze that on your own, as we discussed in our previous videos. So these are my Nifty and Bank Nifty channel analysis of pre-market. So going to the equity section, SBI Life is the first equity call I'm gonna recommend you. So the reason why I'm suggesting you this is because, so on Friday 26 November, we can simply say that it was a total control of a sellers in control, and that was a huge loss in stock market since in April 7. So it's been nearly 6 to 7 months. So this was a, so 26 November was the biggest day after April 7th. So that's why I am shorting in it. So that's why you can also see that here you can see the range of SBI Life. See, yeah, you can see over here. See, this is the support level for it. So that's why you can also see here that you got a confirmation of red candlestick. So that's why I'm going to short it over here. up to the target would be 1103, and the stop loss is you can keep 11 points. So the risk reward is 2.43, which is absolutely good to trade. So if you get a red candlestick in the 30 minutes candlestick of the Monday, in red candlestick means 9:15 to 9:45. If you get a red candle in SBI Life, then please go short it for your profits, and you can clearly see the target and stop loss. So the second one is Wipro. So I am shorting this also, so you can see the confirmation. So from here, sorry, so you can also see. So this is a call for, I guess I can suggest you this as a swing. Please do, if you are a swing trader, please go for Wipro. It's gonna have a good risk reward. You can see the reward is up to 9%, and the risk is minimum at 2% nearly. So the risk reward is nearly 5%. So this is my buying order. If you get a red candlestick at morning range in 30 minutes or 1 hour, so then please do short it and keep a stop loss above 632, and keep a target of nearly 563. So this is the second call I'm going to suggest you. And the third one is Mahindra and Mahindra. Yeah, this was the support range, which means buyers are in control, and this was the resistance level, which means sellers are in control. So that's the reason I am suggesting you this call. So this is a price action range, the war between buyers and sellers, support and resistance, we can also call as support and resistance. So the thing is, here you can see the from past few days the price is been in a downtrend. The price has been a downtrend, so you can see from here uptrend and again downtrend, and now it took a support range over here. So that's why I'm going long on it. Please do buy over this price. So you can also go for a swing trade in this, if you can. First of all, please go do intraday, which you can get good risk reward of nearly 3 to 5% in a day. So this is a price. So the buying price would be 850, and the target would be 957, and the stop loss would be 841. So checking the risk reward, you can have 10%, and the stop loss would be 1%. So these are the three calls I'm gonna suggest you. So please do trade in it if you like and if you trusted our videos, and if you have made some profit in it, so go for it and make some profit. So thank you for watching this, guys. If you like this video, please do smash the like button and comment what you liked, and please share it to your friends and family who are interested in stock market and want to know how to trade and how to learn it. And also don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for more notifications from this YouTube channel of investors and traders. And once again, thanks for watching this. Keep investing and trading.